Hi, and welcome back to the channel. And thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix if your price picks is not working. So make sure that you stay in till the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can try to do is to update the price picks app. So it is one of the most common reasons for PrizePicks app to not working is an outdated app version. So if you haven't updated the app in a while, it is possible that the app is not functioning properly. So to fix this issue, you can try updating the app to its latest version. And here are the steps on how you can do that. So first, just open the App Store on your device and then just simply search for PrizePicks. And if an update is available, just click on an update button next to the app. And then once you've updated the app, you can try opening it again to see if the issue has been resolved. And the next what you can do is to use a VPN. So if you're experiencing issues with the price picks not working, it is possible that your location is blocked or restricted. So in this case, you can try using VPN or a virtual private network. So a VPN can help you change your location and access the price picks from a different location. So to do that, just download and install a VPN app on your device, then open the VPN app and select a server location. And once the VPN is connected, open PrizePicks and see if the issue has been resolved. And then lastly, what you can do is to contact a PrizePicks support. So if you have tried all the solutions that I've told you and it is still not working, you can contact your support team for further assistance. So here's how to contact the support. So visit the PrizePicks website and click on the support tab and fill out the contact form with your name, email, and a brief description of the issue and submit the form and wait for a response from the support team. And you can also email PrizePicks at the support at prizepicks.com to report any issues or ask for help. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great. Bye bye.